a messy room all around me. Toys on the floor, clothes on the chair. We need to clean up everywhere. Pick it up one by one. Cleaning, cleaning can be fun. Blocks and cars go in the box. Dolls and bears in tidy spots. Clean up, let's all try. Make it neat, oh my, clean up, shout hooray. Happy room, happy day. Books go back upon the shelf. Shoes go nicely by themselves. Sweep and wipe, shine so bright. Make your room a happy sight. Clean up, let's all try. Make it neat, oh my. Clean up, shout hooray. Happy room, happy day. Look around, what do you see? A clean, bright room just for me. Clap your hands, you did it right. Super cleaner, shining bright. Thank you for learning with us at Kids Heaven Paradise TV. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in next video.